Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surferers. So today I will show you how you can disable YouTube Shorts permanently. So to disable YouTube Shorts permanently, follow the step-by-step tutorial. Firstly, go to one of your browser and go to YouTube. So in the YouTube section, as you can see this, there is a Shorts options showing. So to disable this short option, you have to follow the step. So go to new tab and search YouTube enhancer. So this will come to you and click on the first link, and here you have to click on add to Chrome, add extension. So you can see this has been added. Enhancer for YouTube has been added for Chrome. So this is the options where you have to modify your whole YouTube extension. So as I have told you that how you can disable YouTube Shorts. So to disable YouTube Shorts, go to Enhancer extension options and scroll down, and here you will see appearance. So from the appearance section, click on hide shorts. So then reload this page and go to YouTube, and here is also showing. So reload the YouTube. So as you can see this, there is no shorts option to show you YouTube shorts. So by this way you can modify your full YouTube section. So here is in the newsfeed there is showing 1 to 3 video. If you want to see 4 video, you can see it from here. So video per rows 4. So I have selected that video per row shows. So reload it and click reload YouTube. So as you can see this, the YouTube is showing 4 video in the per row. So by using this you can modify your YouTube perfectly. So if you want to apply dark theme, you can use dark theme FAU. So I will use red. Let's see. So as you can see this, there is option showing red, and the YouTube got black background. So by using this you can modify your lots of modification by this extension. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.